As we travel backwards in time to our destination star 5 light-years away, it's the Spacefield grid that folds up at light speed or even at speeds greater than light because, again, there's no resistance, nothing holding us back. We travel at light speed towards our destination star, traveling backwards against the grid, but with no resistance in the vacuum field, in the Higgs field. Our ship travels forwards in time, meaning forwards against the time it takes to get to our star. Time equals 0, but the time it takes for the physical journey is accounted for. So the journey takes time, but much less than the average ride. Nor does Earth's time change or the time of our journey to the star, less even time in the ship traveling at light speed. Backwards time meets up with forwards acceleration of our shop, and the journey accounting to the clicks is almost 0. Fascinating, isn't it? No journey into the post or the future, just a superluminal ride.